Yeah! Chest day! Feeling big again. COVID can burn in hell. Man, I'm feeling big, looking bigger. This is like week 3 back in the gym. Eating a lot, man. Getting stronger. The first thing that's coming back is strength. Um, First exercise, hammer strength, chest press. I had a 45 and a 25 on this. It felt okay. I definitely felt like I could go heavier this chest day. I didn't push myself that hard because I was focused on the pump, but I'm probably gonna up the weight a lot, push myself a lot harder. This is definitely not as strong as I am, but I'm trying to work on my endurance first and strength second because that took a huge hit when I wasn't going to the gym, my endurance. But we did some inclines at 60s. Now 60s felt okay. I don't think I can do like 70s or 80s reliably yet, but we're gonna take some time with that. Went over and did some dips. I've heard these be called like the squat of your upper body. Dips are really, really important. Uh, Wide grip and lean forward for lower chest. Feels really good in the lower chest. You can go pretty heavy on these. Just don't bend your elbow past 90 degrees. Or like don't go lower than 90 because you're really gonna break some shit. That's the only rule of dips. No below 90. But like I said, feeling better. I've been really hard on myself lately. Losing all these gains to COVID. Like I've been super hard on myself, but you just gotta keep in mind like everyone's in the same boat. Everybody's lost gains to COVID, so don't feel too bad. Don't beat yourself up about it. You know, 90% of people didn't have access to the gym for a while when they were closed, so don't feel too bad. Went over here, did some cable flies. I don't really, I don't really like flies that much. I like the ones that are on the fixed machine where your elbows are at 90 degrees with the pads. I like those flies, but they don't have that machine here. So went over to some cable flies. I really squeezed these last reps out. That's important. Forced reps are super important. You want to feel that burn. You want to feel that exhaustion. This is my favorite machine in this gym. This machine's been here ever since I signed up. Uh, you can do these forward grip or reverse grip. Either way works. These feel great. These get your arms super pumped. Adds a lot of girth. I remember doing a similar exercise like this where you sit on a bench and do it with a dumbbell. You hold it with two hands, your palms facing up, and I started getting a lot of size in the triceps after doing that. This is kind of the same thing, but it's just with a cable. Um, you'll probably notice I like doing single arm at a time. I just like to focus on that mind muscle connection and do the rep thoroughly. I don't really like to throw the weight around. Um, but like I said, I've just been working on endurance a lot lately. Like I feel like that's more important, and then strength comes next. Went over and did some rope pull downs. These feel great. I like the thicker rope like this. There's two ropes. There's a skinnier one and then this one. I like grabbing this one and then having to rely on my forearms to keep my grip. The other one is like has a plastic pad that you can rest your hand on. I don't really fuck with that. I like making my forearms work because I don't work forearms directly. I do shit like don't use thumb on reverse grip cable curls, and there's just certain ways to make your forearms work harder on different exercises that you should strive to do so that your forearms, you know, increase in strength. accordingly. Like there's certain tips and tricks. I'll point it out in the next back biceps and shoulders day. But yeah, these reverse grip cable pull downs, they feel amazing. I'm gonna start coining this because I don't see people doing this shit. Doing reverse grip anything with a single hand cable grip. So these are mine. They're fucking trademarked. I'm suing if anybody tries to take these and name them. These are my shits. I don't see anybody doing these ever. I've been going to this gym for like 3 or 4 years. I never see anybody doing this. But doing some shrugs with plates. 45 pounds. Traps are a really, really small muscle group compared to other things, believe it or not. It's such a limited range of motion. So I like doing either really fucking heavy or really volumetric. There's no like in between. Doing shrugs with plates just feels really nice. Do them slow. Pause for like 2 or 3 seconds at the top. Really squeeze. Get that burn. Like I said, forced reps are what's gonna make you grow. And you can swap this machine out. I don't even know what this is called, but it's just shrugs. I guess you could do it on the barbell. It wouldn't make a difference. But I like doing these. It's really convenient. The straight bars, like, I fucking smash my dick up trying to raise the bar up in front of me. So these, you don't have to like mangle your meat in order to do these. These feel really good, and they're better. So did some upright rows with the cable, 2 grips. Now I've been trying to experiment with these and see what attachment feels the best. The rope is okay. This is okay. I don't know. I'm gonna keep doing these, let you guys know. But this is the last exercise. This is a really quick video because I didn't have my brother with me. It was just me on the camera. So next video is gonna be leg day, and I'll have that up in the next 24 hours. And thanks for watching, guys.